Hi, to scan QR codes on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we'll need to open camera first and make sure that you're in a photo mode now. So on the upper panel, you can find the settings, which we need to open, and now make sure that this scan QR codes feature is enabled. If it's enabled, then it will be blue. Now let's take any piece of paper which includes QR code. For example, this one from Samsung user manual, and simply point your camera at this QR code. And after that, you can see this link which we can tap and immediately open the content of this QR code. Let's try this one more time. You can also tap on the arrow, and here you'll find few options: view full text, search web, copy, and share. So you can copy it and it will be copied to the clipboard, and you can paste it to notes, for example. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.